Welcome everyone, I'm Prem. This is my new video travel blog on district Chandrapur, the black gold city Chandrapur, which is known for its industrialization, history, mythology, as well as spirituality. And the integral part is also the farming, as well as the tourism, Tadoba National Park. This city appears to eastern part of Maharashtra state, and also it is known as the hottest city of Maharashtra among all the cities. The total area 10,690 km square, population 3,20,000 and employability among people 55%. To visit this place you have two options. The first one is via bus and the second one is via railway, which is the central part of Indian Railway, and you can visit here through Balasha railway station, which is nearer to Chandrapur. The mythological history about Chandrapur is too ancient. This is Mahakali temple, ancient and famous sacred shrine in the city of Chandrapur. This temple is dedicated to goddess Kali, a ferocious form of goddess Parvati. In season of Navratri, most of the women came here to get blessings from the goddess Kali. This shrine is in the premises of Ankleshwar temple, which is dedicated to the Lord Shiva. Ankleshwar Mahadeva temple is located just outside Gond Fort in Chandrapur. Also, the sacred statue of Bull Nandi is seen near the entrance facing of this temple. The primary source of income in India, the farming. In this district, the primary source of income for the most of villagers is through farming, as they farm rice, cotton, turmeric, chickpeas as chana dal, pigeon peas as tur dal throughout the season. Self-cultivation is the most important factor in Chandrapur, as they get their food by themselves. Day by day, the tourism attraction is increasing in India, and Chandrapur is not far behind in tourism. The biggest tourist attraction in Maharashtra, that is Tadoba National Park, which is famous for tigers. It established on 1955, total area about 626 km square, reserved area 597 km square, and protected forest is 32.51 km square. Also including buffer forest, the total area is about 1700 km square with total tiger 18 plus. The epic view for the most of the tourists in Tadoba. The Tadoba tiger, the king of jungle. In past few years, Chandrapur tourism is growing The industrialization is played major role in the Chandrapur district for employability among people. The production and manufacturer like CSTPS Super Thermal Power Station builds Ballarsha Industry Limited Paper Company, cement factories Ambuja ACC Manikgarh and Chandrapur Ferro Alloy Plant MEL is provide the employment. Among all these companies, the Chandrapur Thermal Power Station, commissioned on 1983, is the largest power plant in Maharashtra. Total power capacity 3,314 megawatt and accounts more than 25% of Maharashtra needs to provide electricity in state. To generate the electricity in factory, they use resource as coal in mines and also the water from Irai Dam. The coal mines is work under the Western Coal Field Limited India. Ballarsha Industry Limited is a paper production company and is a subsidiary of Avanta Group and was once the India's largest manufacturing paper company. It has 6 manufacturing units in 3 different states: Maharashtra, Orissa and Telangana. As it is developing economy and also the growth of country, but the pollution is rising a lot in Chandrapur. The average life of people is decreasing because of the pollution and its causes towards diseases. So here, without worrying, plant more and more trees in your surrounding. It will reduce the pollution and keeps your surrounding healthy and cool. The education is also good in Chandrapur as it is having Rajiv Gandhi Engineering College, Government Medical College and also Government Engineering College too. This is all about the travel blog video of Chandrapur district. I hope you enjoyed this video blog. Please do like, share and subscribe this video. So thank you for watching again.